Helsinki Train Station. Now we exploring Helsinki. Just enter the train station. Some luggage room is available here. Inside the luggage room, €6 luggage room I select here. Inside I put it 3 baggages and still open space. But this is the cabin baggages, not big. So now you need to put it here coin like a 50 cent, €1, €2 coin, and then remove this key. So now I put it some coin like 1, 2, 3, and here coin some counted 3 coin I put it here, 4, 5, 6, and now is locked. Key is open. It's very easy. Wow, now I carry this key entire day, and then after exploring using this key I open the lock and continue my rest of journey. So here small cabins also available like €4. But thank you.